I don't normally do a walk and talk video, but I do want to show just some of the destruction that we've had here after the hurricane here in Augusta. We don't normally get this. This is on Monday. Over here got the worst of it. I think we got a tree right through these apartments over here. But yeah, we don't normally get the actual hurricanes here in Augusta. We usually know they're coming, but they always turn. This has to be the worst that we've ever gotten. Definitely the worst weather event in all the time I've been in Augusta. The last big one that we had was bad, was the ice storm in 2014, but this has just been crazy. Like I said, it's Monday now. The hurricane came through early Friday morning. Probably, I know at 4 o'clock it was going on. And I mean, power line's down. I guess they're doing some work now because this power line is in the way. I had been able to get out of my neighborhood before this. I guess I still could go under this, but just a lot of devastation. All these trees down. Trees were blocking the road both directions. Thankfully, a lot of neighbors got out with their own chainsaws and took care of a lot of that stuff. So there's stuff that did get cleared, but like, for example, you can see down here that tree right there, they cut that themselves to cut a path through, although there's another tree on the other side of that that's not cut, so you can't drive that direction. But if we do get a chance to drive out, we will show you some other stuff that happened. There are just power lines down everywhere. It's just a little sample of kind of the destruction we got here in Augusta. This is very, very uncommon for us to get. Like I said, showed a little bit of Washington Road stuff, but a lot of that's been cleared. We've even had some stuff open up out Evans Way, which is good. Get a closer look here at this apartment complex that got destroyed. Just absolutely horrible. But thankfully, like I said, from what I hear, nobody was home there. Now this tree got cut, so you can pass here, but I think there's another tree. Yeah, it looks like that's still blocked down here, so you cannot even drive this way, unfortunately. So the only way out from where I live is going to the right side, not this side to the left. And there are probably people still blocked in who can't go anywhere. And like I said, this is day 4. Yeah, it looks like there's cars over here, so they might be blocked in completely. Yeah, this is Monday now when I'm recording, so I'm going to try to get this put up on Monday as well. But yeah, we got it really bad. Yeah, the way the power lines are here and the down poles, we're not going to get power today. I'm assuming, I mean, they're estimating the 5th, so it is the 30th right now, so that's 5 more days from now. It could be before then. I'm hoping it'll be before then, but we'll see. But I just wanted to share this with you, let you know what's going on here. If I do some more footage later, I'll share it, and thanks for watching.